Good morning, student. Here we are again with our new lesson, The Lazy Frog. The objectives of the lesson are children will recite the poem with proper rhyme and rhythm. Children will be able to use new words and phrases in proper context. Children will be able to use adjectives. This poem is about a frog named Fred. He was so lazy. He doesn't want to do a single stroke of work. When his mother called him for help, he just ignored it. Just like on a school day, you are busy in studying, playing and chatting with friends. When you have a holiday from school, what do? Would you like to behave a little like this frog in the following poem? Fred is a very lazy frog who lolls all day upon a log. He always manages to shriek doing a single stroke of work. His poor old mother calls in vain. Come in and help. He does not bother to move 2 inches, much preferring to be extremely hard of hearing. He lies there in a silent heap and stay conveniently asleep. If a lady frog hops past, you would think he would get up at last to bow and help her on her way. But no, I am ashamed to say that when a lady frog comes by, he does not open up one eye even. Now new words and meaning. Loll, meaning to lie around lazily. Sentence, all the day he loll on the couch. Log, trunk of a tree that has been cut. Sentence, elephants transport heavy logs from one place to other. Shriek, to not do something you should do. Sentence, he shrieks and manages not to do work. Bow, to bend your head to show respect. Sentence, all the ministers bow in front of the king. In vain, uselessly. Sentence, I work hard to solve the arguments, but all in vain. Prefer, like something better. Sentence, I prefer to do homework instead of playing games. Hard of hearing. Deaf. Sentence, when Ram's mother called him, he was hard of hearing and keep on playing cricket. Question 1. What did the frog do all day? Answer. The frog keeps on resting on a log of wood the whole day. Question 2. Besides lazy, what other word can you think to describe the frog? Answer. Besides being lazy, the frog can also describe rude and proud. Question 3. Did you like the frog's behavior? Answer. No, I did not like the frog's behavior because he is very rude to his mother. Complete the sentence with reference to the poem. When the frog's mother called him, he pretended to sleep. Actually, he was not sleeping, but he pretended to sleep. When a lady frog hops by, he does not even open up one eye. Question 1 refers to the poem and understand the frog loved to lazy and lie around all day. He did not like to do any work at all. Now make sentences about yourself. Write about the people you like, a game you play, hobby, a habit you have. You may use the following clues. I love to play football. I like to read books. I hate watching television. I don't mind doing my homework. I don't like to go for shopping. Thank you. I hope you have enjoyed the lesson.